Hello everyone, this is Yoshida TV. Today I am here in Due Italian. What? Actually, do you know Michelin? So Michelin guide listed ramen store in Japan. So Due Italian already listed in 2015, also 2016 means really good. Look, I order fromage ramen. Okay, fromage ramen is really good because chef make good fromage, but the soup can see. Maybe you can see, but いただきます。You can feel little olive, really different taste. If you don't like ramen, you're more than like a pasta person, you should come here. And also, when you finish up your noodle, you can put some rice for making cheese risotto. The point is, you should all cheese, and maybe you should keep the half cheese for risotto, maybe? Trust me. Anyway, thank you. Enjoy Japan.